my mindset is such that I'm always craving for learning. So wherever I see that something is being taught or somebody is spreading knowledge, I try to be the first one to be there and grasp all that I can. What actually drove me to become a topper and be this confident that I am today is actually, I think, the faculties here. They have been quite an inspiration for me. My parents, with a lot of difficulty, sent me to this college. So I had this fire in my belly that I have to do something for them, become something for them. The environment here is quite supportive for learning. So if you reach out to your faculties, they will definitely guide you, help you out, and even the resources that you're provided with. Let's say there we have a library, big library, and it's open like almost 24/7, so you can go study, right? And yeah, everybody is very helpful. So wherever my first hand experience is that whenever I face any difficulty, the first person I would reach out to is my trusted faculty. So I think your go-to should be faculty, your friend should be a faculty here. I think the uniqueness lies in the fact that this program is residential, right? So you're away from your parents, and at the same time you have this feeling that they've sent you here with a lot of difficulty, so you should be doing something worthwhile here. So the program is residential, it's styled in a way which will foster learning. So I think that's the unique point here. So definitely there have been a lot of moments, but one that actually stood out for me is the Shark Tank competition here that was held. So me along with my team, we made a prototype and we won that competition. So that day is when I realized that I'm capable of much more that I think. I realized that I'm good at collaborating. I realized that I'm good at leadership too. And I realized that I'm good at creative thinking. So I'm placed in an auditing firm and it's Forvis Mazars. It's into energy, infrastructure and environment. So my role is model audit. So what we do is we get financial models and we are supposed to audit those models, see if they are logically correct. And yeah, so my plan for the next 2 years is to really put in everything that I have to grow, because that's a really amazing firm that I've been placed into and the opportunities are ample. So yeah, just working hard to grab those.